Hello guys, welcome to the day 23 of our coding challenge series, and today we are solving this problem which is called number of unequal triplets in array. So in this question we are given a zero index array called nums, and then we need to find the number of triplets I, j, k that meet the following condition, in which I would be lesser than j is lesser than k, and I, j, k, all of these are lesser than the length of nums array. Nums at position I, nums at position j, and nums at position k are pairwise distinct. So these values will contain different values, not equal values. In other words, nums at position I is not equal to nums at position j, and nums at position I is not equal to nums at position k, and nums at position j is not equals to nums at position k. And we need to return the number of triplets that meet the conditions. So basically we need to meet this condition, right? So for example, we are given a nums array, and you can see in the explanation that it says the following triplets meet the condition. So 0th index, 2nd index, and the 4th index. So at 0th index we have 4, which is the ith index, the jth index, and the kth index, right? So according to the condition, if we check, so according to this condition, we see that nums at position I is 4, which is not equal to nums at position j, which is 2, and then nums at position I, which is 4, is not equal to nums at position k, which is 3, and also nums at position j, which is 2, is not equal to nums at position k, which is 3. So this particular is a triplet, and we will increase the counter by 1. So similarly we get 3 triplets, right? So we return the output as 3 because we get 3 triplets, 3 pairs. Let's solve this problem. First of all, I can initialize a counter equals to 0, and then use a for loop for I would be lesser than nums dot length, and then I plus plus, and then again we would need a counter for j because we have ith index, jth index, and k index. So for j would be equals to I plus 1 because it will start from the next position of I, right? And then j would be again lesser than nums dot length and j plus plus. Close this, and then we would need the third loop for k, and k would start from j plus 1, k, and here also we need k, 2, 3, yeah, but we need this. Okay, and then here in this third loop we will check if nums, we will basically check this condition, right? So I'll just copy it, so, and then use a bracket if this condition is satisfied, and then we want to satisfy the condition this one as well, because all these 3 conditions should be true, right, in order to get a triplet. And this condition, okay, so I hope we got it. Then simply close this and increment the counter, right? So that's what we will do, and then simply return the count. Let's run this. Okay, yeah, this should be for integer. Okay, let's submit this. Alright, so we got a runtime of 9 milliseconds. I hope you guys understood the code, and if you have any questions you can ask them in the comment section, and see you guys in the next video.